Hello and welcome. Today we're going to be looking at pronoun agreement on the S.a.t. writing and language section. As always, we're going to be going through 5 questions. We're going to explain each one and look at the intricacies of this topic to help you ace the S.a.t. writing section. If you like these videos or find them informative, please be sure to like and subscribe. And with that, let's get started on our first question. The naturalist, who had a reputation as one of the few experts on all such issues, embarrassed oneself by incorrectly identifying the very common tree. Let's see what we can do here. It says he embarrassed oneself. It sounds like it should be embarrassed himself. It's not embarrassing some unnamed person one. He's embarrassing himself. He's not embarrassing ourself or itself. It's embarrassing himself. And that's our answer. Let's continue. Students who competed in speech and debate exhibited improved communication skills because they had to phrase the arguments in a rhetorically effective way. So they seems to work, right? Talking about the students, so they seems to work, right? Well, it's not just one student, and it's not even a boy, we don't know that. Well, we're talking about the students, and it. Students are not an it, students are a people, they're a they. So our answer is A. Let's move on to the next question. According to a recent study using geographic data, the Earth should actually have around 3 trillion trees on our surface. Well, it's talking about Earth's surface, not our surface. So it's not going to be our or my surface. It shouldn't be like their surface because theirs plural. But it's its surface. The Earth's surface, its surface. That's our answer. Alright. Next question. In the movie All the Way, Bryan Cranston is transformed through the magic of extensive prosthetics, makeup, and costuming into the splitting image of our into the spitting, not splitting, it should be splitting, but it's into the spitting image of our character, Lyndon B. Johnson. Well, it's not our character. We're not playing the character, and it's not of him character. That just doesn't work. But it's spitting image of his character, Lyndon B. Johnson, because he's the one playing him. And then it's not its character, right? Because it's his. It belongs to a person, possessive. All right, and then here we are, lesson 5, and it is: if history and architecture interest you, visit Paris, which offers theirs in abundance. Well, what does it offer? It offers history and architecture. So it offers it in abundance. Right? It doesn't offer theirs or them, which is the people, or us, which is not more people. It offers it, the history and architecture, in abundance. So that is our answer. That's the conclusion of this topic on pronoun agreement. As you can see, it really just has to do with understanding where the pronoun is and understanding what it refers to. Does it refer to a person, an object? Does it refer to us? Does it refer to some other object that's being mentioned in the sentence? You figure that out and you match the pronouns to make that work. That is it for this topic of pronoun agreement, and I'll see you next time.